young explorers! Let's see how this works. It's Toby the Tugboat here. As we know, to become explorers, we need to be safe and understand safety equipment we have on board. Let's investigate, young explorers. Today we're discovering one of the most important pieces of safety equipment found on ships all around the world, the life raft. Now, have you ever looked at a ship, ferry, or cruise ship and noticed little white containers sitting on the deck? Next time you're near a harbor, see if you can spot them. Those white boxes might not look very exciting, but inside is a life raft ready to help people in an emergency. In fact, almost every ship you see has life rafts on board. Cruise ships have lots of them. Cargo ships have them. Ferries have them. And even little old me, Toby the Tugboat, carries safety equipment too. But here's the clever part. The life raft is packed tightly inside a strong waterproof container. It stays there waiting, just in case it's ever needed. Now imagine there's an emergency. The crew can throw the container into the sea. Attached to it is a special rope. When the rope pulls tight, poof! The life raft inflates all by itself in less than a minute. How amazing is that? It's like a giant inflatable survival tent popping open on the water. And if a ship sinks too quickly, don't worry. The life raft has a clever backup system called a hydrostatic release unit. That's a very long name for a very smart gadget. If the ship goes underwater, the water pressure automatically releases the raft, allowing it to float safely to the surface and inflate by itself. Wow! Now let's climb aboard. Can you see the bright orange color? That's so rescue helicopters, airplanes, and ships can spot it easily. And look up! There's even a roof! The canopy helps protect people from wind, rain, waves, and hot sunshine. What's inside? Well, life rafts are packed with emergency supplies. There may be drinking water, special survival biscuits, first aid equipment, seasickness tablets, thermal blankets, and even flares to help rescuers find you. Some life rafts also have flashing lights that switch on automatically at night. And underneath, there are special water pockets that fill with seawater. These act like tiny anchors and help stop a raft tipping over in rough seas. Pretty clever, eh? The most important thing to remember, young explorers, is that life rafts are there just in case they're ever needed. They help keep people safe until rescuers arrive. So next time you see a cruise ship, ferry, cargo ship, or tugboat, take a closer look. Can you spot the life raft sitting on deck? You might just discover one of the smartest safety inventions ever made. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring!